Dheeraj Arora from Bright Interior. We are best and fast interior fit out contractor in Delhi NCR. And today I am going to share with you apartment interior done by us at M3M Merlin Sector 67, Gurgaon. So let's check out. So this is the entry of our apartment, and on entry यहाँ पे एक MCB box था and we have covered it with a window shaped decoration using mirror. आप देख सकते हैं इसके पीछे MCB box है and यहाँ पे telephone communications का main है and we have used all Century plywood here and this is a shoe rack at the entry. इसके ऊपर हमने Korean use किया है. And on my left we have given a sitting with wallpaper and wall decoration, and this is the drawing room, and here we have given MDF ceiling which is giving a look of huge chandelier, and on my right there is a मंदिर हमने कोरियन में बनाया है. So this is the TV cabinet made in Century plywood and veneer, then Korean on the ledge. So this is the partition for drying and dining area. We have little transparency and this gives both area a separation. Two kind of guests we can have in same area. This is made up of MDF and Duco finish paint on it. This is made up of veneer and polish on it. So this is the dining area. Dining area की ceiling पे भी we have used MDF and we have used metallic fan, metallic lights. This is the dining table in onyx finish, and here is the crockery unit for storage, and on the top of it we have used Korean which is backlit. Here we have bar. This is the bar. And below this bar, we have given a space for mini bar refrigerator. We have completely changed door. We have used existing door and pasted veneer on it and then polished. We have completely changed chokhut. We have done plywood cladding on the chalk hut, finished with veneer. So this is the master bedroom. So this is she wardrobe, this is for ma'am, and we have given special shoe storage system over here. Complete wardrobe made with century plywood, Duco finish. Here is the polish, and we have used all soft close attic fitting. So this is the bed. This is fully customized bed, designed and made by us. और इसके अंदर हमने बैक पैनलिंग करी है. इधर हमने रॉयल पेंट करा है. ये MDF जाली है जिसके ऊपर हमने गोल्डन ड्यूको करा है. एंड बेड के ठीक सामने है टीवी कैबिनेट कम स्टडी टेबल. सो इधर एक मिनी स्टडी टेबल है, टीवी कैबिनेट है. अगेन ये पूरी टीवी कैबिनेट सेंचुरी प्लाईवुड में बनी हुई है, प्लस वीनियर है एंड मेलामाइन पॉलिश है. एंड हेयर इज द स्लाइडिंग वार्डरोब फॉर सर. सो दिस इज ही वार्डरोब. सो दिस इज द गेस्ट बेडरूम. और गेस्ट बेडरूम हमने बड़ा ही कलरफुल क्रिएट किया है. एंट्री पे हमने ये ओपन स्टोरेज क्रिएट करी है. देन हमने इधर एक स्लाइडिंग वार्डरोब दी है और उसके पीछे हमने एक्वा ब्लू कलर का ये वॉल इफेक्ट दिया है जिसमें हमने MDF यूज किया है. MDF के ऊपर मशीन से हमने कटिंग करा के देन ड्यूको किया है और रैंडम पैटर्न में हमने मिरर प्लेस करे हैं. बेड अगेन फुल्ली कस्टमाइज है. ये है टीवी कैबिनेट. ये हमने मरीनो लैमिनेट से फिनिश करी है. मरीनो का MR टफ हाई ग्लॉस लैमिनेट हमने यूज किया है. अगेन सारा हार्डवेयर हैटिक का यूज किया है. देन दिस इज द एडिशनल वार्डरोब ओवर हियर. This passage connect with us to kids room and parents room. So let's go to kid room first. So now I am in kids room और kids room की एंट्री पे है एक ये ड्रेसर. देन मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड पे है एक राइट बोर्ड जिसको हमने टॉम एंड जेरी कार्टून से एक इफेक्ट दे दिया है. देन दिस इज द स्टडी टेबल. ये पूरी स्टडी टेबल हमने मरीनो लैमिनेट में फिनिश करी है, सेंचुरी का प्लाईवुड यूज किया है. देन दीज आर 2 स्टाइलिश चेयर्स. स्टडी टेबल के ऊपर हमने टास्क लाइट दी है और हमने ये मैग्नेटिक पिनअप बोर्ड लगाया है. सभी वार्डरोब्स में हमने लाइट लगाई है विद ए डोर स्विच. जैसे ही हम डोर ऑपरेट करेंगे देन लाइट ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन हो जाएगा. यहाँ विंडो के साथ हमने एक सिटिंग बनाई है. इसके नीचे स्टोरेज है जिसके अंदर क्रिकेट किट रखी जाती है बच्चों की. दोनों बच्चे क्रिकेट बहुत खेलते हैं. देन सीलिंग पे हमने वॉलपेपर का यूज किया है और वॉल पे हमने ये स्पेशल मोटर बाइक वाली क्लॉक लगाई है. इस किड्स रूम में हमने कॉर्नर बेड यूज किया है सो दैट किड्स बेड पे पूरा एंजॉय कर सकें, खेल भी सकें. और देन हमने ये एक रोप के साथ सेल्फिंग क्रिएट करी है जहाँ हॉट व्हील्स कार रखी हुई हैं, कुछ बच्चों ने अपनी चीजें रखी हुई हैं. देयर इज ए क्लॉक आल्सो. सो गाइज दिस इज द पेरेंट्स रूम. और ये रूम पर्सनली मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है बिकॉज क्लाइंट ने हमें सबसे पहले चैलेंज दिया था कि 30 डेज में मुझे एक रूम फिनिश करके दिखाओ तब मैं आगे काम कराऊंगा. सो हमने सबसे पहले यही रूम फिनिश किया था. यहाँ पे हमने वार्डरोब क्रिएट करी है. इसमें हमने मार्बल फिनिश की लैमिनेट लगाई है. देन उसके साथ एक वुडन फिनिश की लैमिनेट दी है. और बेड हमने फुली कस्टमाइज बेड बनाया है. लैमिनेट के अंदर बेड के नीचे स्टोरेज है, उसके नीचे फुटलाइट का भी प्रोविजन है. एंड देयर इज ए टीवी कैबिनेट जो अगेन हमने मार्बल फिनिश लैमिनेट इस पे यूज किया है. एंड हमने एक छोटा स्टडी टेबल भी यहाँ पे क्रिएट करके दिया है. सो फ्रेंड, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस विद यू माय क्लाइंट रश्मि सिंह, lady of the house, and Mr. Anil Badudia, man of the house. I am very grateful to them. They have given me and my team a opportunity to do their apartment interior. So, ma'am, how do you came to know about Bright Interior?
You want to say something or should I?
Yeah, so we came to know about you through one of our friends. So when we visited their house, It was really good. It was impressive. So through that, at that time we inquired about it. But later on, when we purchased this house, we thought of taking somebody who is reliable or whose work we have seen from our eyes. So that was the basic thing why we tried you.
Thank you, sir. And how is the experience?
Yeah, experience is good. Overall, the day we started, like when we handed over the contract to you, from that time till now everything is finished, and now we are planning to move in. So, and the best thing was that we were getting the regular updates about what is going to happen. You were with us in all, like it's end-to-end project that you have delivered, and it's a good thing. And me and my wife, we both are very happy. And whosoever like neighbors and all, they have seen. A lot many people came to see. So now they are saying it is one of the best projects. It is one of the best flats in the vicinity or in the society.
Thank you, sir.
So it's good that we are really feeling proud that we invested our hard-earned money in a good way with a good partner like you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And what is the feedback of our staff, our supervisor here and worker here?
They were good. Most of the time, they adhered all the rules of the society. So we never received any complaint regarding their timings. They used to come on time. That's what I have come to know. And they, whenever I visited, I found them working diligently on their jobs. And good thing was that they were trying to achieve the perfection. Everybody was committed to it. That's what I have observed.
Thank you, sir.
So I would like to say something. Dheeraj ji and team. So Dheeraj ji and team did a splendid job. It was nice experience with Dheeraj ji and team. But now every project, every work has its merits and demerits. So definitely I would like to focus, or I would like to say something about but first the positive points. The excellent work they have done, that is very true. And you can see everything that has been captured. But the plus point, ki last minute times when we used to say ki no Dheeraj ji, we don't want this, we want this. They never said no. Okay ma'am, ho jayega. So that is the positivity and that is the spirit which I like about Dheeraj ji and team. So that is very good point.
Which is the best area of this house?
Actually, being a lady of the house, it is very difficult to define anything like this is the best thing of the house, because every lady loves her kitchen. So my kitchen is the best part, definitely. But I will definitely talk about my rooms. The parent room, it is according to their taste, because the parents, the old age parents, they like soothing colors and the wooden work. So it is like that only. And my kids. So I have two kids. The younger one, he's 5 years old, and the elder one is 13. So you can understand the teenage choice, and the younger, every time he will like Spider-Man, Bheem and all that. But the teenage boy, he used to like cars, motorbikes and everything. He loves some codes. And Hot Wheels also.
And candy also.
Sorry?
Candy also.
What also? Caddy also. So actually Dheeraj ji just understood about the taste of my kids, and means like we want to use only one room for my kids. We don't want to separate the room, so he designed my kids' room, and definitely it's the best room for my kids. So I will say, because every mother loves his kids, and I will say the best room in my house is my kids' room, definitely.
And sir, which is your favorite area in the apartment?
Yeah, according to me, kitchen is the best part.
Wow.
Which has come out, because what has happened, that thing we were missing when we purchased our first apartment in Noida. Kitchen, actually there was not much scope to make some changes in the kitchen, but finally actually she wanted a good and a big kitchen. So we are a lot of things like we can take the lunch or dinner also. So from that point of view, it's quite good, and it's aesthetically it's very good.
So, sir, after getting this work done by us, what you think is our USP or what you like the most? Our design, our workmanship, or our weekly meeting structure?
The best thing what I liked about is the process through which you take us. Like in majority of the interiors, what I have seen, they don't appreciate that much changes. But your process is very good. That first you come up with your idea, you discuss with the client. If the client wants some changes or as per his taste, then you tell both the pros and cons. Then accordingly, jointly a decision is being taken, which is good thing. That's the reason because many ideas were yours. Some of the ideas we have also given.
Many idea given
But
by man.
yeah. But later on, it was a very conclusive approach. That finally, that's the reason why we have such a beautiful house because it's a joint effort of all of us. So a lot of ideas were from your side, from my wife's side, and finally, we can see majority of them could get implemented and the way we like. And the second best thing was that we were getting the regular updates, weekly updates, daily updates, weekly meetings, face-to-face meetings. Where some changes at all, if we wanted, you have never said no, which was the best part. So that's what I liked, and these two were the major things which I have not experienced in while getting our houses renovated through other interiors.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I also want to share here that I have never said no to any change because on very first day you cleared me that कि पैसा कितना भी खर्च हो जाए घर बहुत अच्छा बनना चाहिए और आपने मुझे फ्री हैंड छोड़ा तो इसलिए मेरी टीम भी बेटर डिजाइन कर पाई और हम भी बेटर काम कर पाए.
Yeah, that's what because best results come. This is what I have seen in my professional life also. Best results come when you give free hand to somebody, so that he can come up with the better ideas. Later on, you accept or don't accept, but at least you should give the free hand so that he comes up with the best ideas.
Thank you, sir, for trusting me and my team.
Okay, thank you.